Okay, so the next page I'm going to now is the login page. Okay, what happens to the login page? In the login page, we have these two input boxes, which are JavaScript supported in such a way that the application will not go to the next page unless these two boxes are having some inputs, both of them, and they are case sensitive. The validation is done by JavaScript in the client side, and the secondary validation is done at the server side using a PHP script. So I'm going to try. Okay, first I'm going to try to log in as admin, and that's it. I was able to log in as admin. I'm going to log out again and try to, let's say, without a password, what would happen? So there, the page will complain for not filling in the two boxes at the same time. And this is also a case sensitive one. So if, for instance, I try to change this character to an uppercase one, then it will complain. The login will push to the next level, but the validation at the server side will definitely invalidate the login requirements. So this is the login page. Now next to the login page is here. If I log in as admin, this is the admin page, or the admin view of what's in the system. So we have here the list of registered users, and totaling 8 for each table. If, for example, the number of registered users exceeds 8, then this JavaScript here below, this pagination system here below, which was done by JavaScript, will automatically paginate the tables in such a way that each table will be containing only 8 users in the list. So we have here the main menu, we have the home, which in this case, when we click to this menu here, it will bring back the welcome screen, and the logout will bring back the login screen. And here the add user is where the admin will add a new user. So for instance, there's a new employee, or an employee is going to be receiving some paychecks under this system, then he will have to be registered here. And on this page also is where the admin can delete a particular employee in the registered list. All he has to do is to enter the employee number. And on this add or delete paycheck here is where he first selects a particular employee, and on the next page is where the admin can add a paycheck or delete a paycheck, and that's it. And he can anytime go back to the admin panel. Later on I will demonstrate each one at a time. Okay, now I'm going to log out to bring one of the users. Okay, I logged in as one of the users. So this guy, what this guy can do is change his profile picture whenever he needs or whenever he desires. So let's, for example, we change the profile picture to his mother, then it will be changed accordingly. You can also immediately change the password here. So for example, that's it, the password change was successful. Okay, there's also some level of validation here in the password change. If, for example, I enter two different passwords, then it will not accept. The system will not accept. It requires at least 6 alphanumeric characters, and they should be the same. So in effect, there was no change a password when we receive that prompt. Okay. Okay. So the very difference about this change password scheme is it's not the traditional one wherein the original passwords being asked, because it's quite I made it so simple and quite straightforward, such a way that when the user goes to his account, then that's it, he can immediately right away change his password and the profile picture, and it is the only thing that the user can do in the system, because he can only view the paychecks and the profile picture and the password, and that's it.